Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jenna. I'm Jenna, your English friend and teacher.
And I'm Steve, your learning buddy.
We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, here we learn English in a simple, fun, and natural way.
That's right. We speak slowly, clearly, and repeat many times so you can understand easily.
Perfect for beginners.
Exactly. So relax, smile, and enjoy learning English with us.
But before we start, please don't forget to...
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes, hit the like button to support this channel.
And subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.
And please comment below. Tell us what English topic you want next.
We read every comment, really.
That's right.
Okay, now let's start our lesson for today. So today we talk about how to improve your English fast.
I think everyone wants that.
Yes, everyone wants to speak faster and more natural.
But it's not easy. Sometimes I forget words, sometimes I'm shy.
That's normal, Steve. Everyone feels that way at first.
So, what should I do first?
Good question. The first step is think in English.
Think in English? How?
Start small. When you wake up, say in English, "Good morning, I'm sleepy."
That's easy. I can do that every day.
Great! Then when you eat breakfast, say, "I'm eating bread, I'm drinking coffee."
Okay. I'm eating bread. I'm drinking coffee.
See? You're already thinking in English.
Oh, wow, that's simple.
Yes, you don't need perfect grammar, just short, simple sentences. Let's say it together. I think in English.
I think in English.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Look around you. Say in English what you see.
I see a table.
Good.
I see a cup.
Perfect.
I see my phone.
Nice job. You're already training your brain. Now, the second step. Use English every day.
Every day? Even when I'm busy?
Yes, even 10 minutes a day is great.
What can I do in 10 minutes?
You can speak to yourself, listen to English music, or watch a short video.
So it's okay to talk to myself?
Of course, that's how you practice without fear.
Like this. Today is Monday. I have work.
Perfect. That's real practice. Let's repeat this sentence. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Listeners, your turn. Say it out loud. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Again, louder. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Great energy. The third step, listen a lot.
Like listening to this podcast?
Exactly. Listen every day, even if you don't understand everything.
Sometimes I feel lost when people speak fast.
That's okay. Just keep listening. Your brain learns by sound.
Like a baby, right?
Yes, babies listen for months before they speak.
So listening helps me speak better?
100% correct. Repeat after me. I listen every day.
I listen every day.
Very good. Okay, listeners, say it too. I listen every day.
I listen every day.
Nice. That's how you train your ear.
Jenna, I have a problem.
What is it?
I'm afraid of mistakes.
Oh, that's normal. But you must stop that fear.
How?
Remember this. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Really?
Of course. Mistakes mean you are learning.
So if I make mistakes, it's okay.
Yes. Speak slowly, speak clearly, but keep speaking. Say this with me. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Perfect. That's the attitude we want. Now, the last secret. Create your English world.
What does that mean?
It means surround yourself with English.
How?
Change your phone to English. Watch movies in English. Follow English pages online.
Oh, so I see English everywhere.
Yes, when you see, hear, and read English every day, your brain gets stronger.
That's cool.
It's fun too. Make English part of your life. Let's practice daily sentences.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I watch English videos.
I watch English videos.
I read English every day.
I read English every day.
I speak English with friends.
I speak English with friends.
I learn English fast.
I learn English fast.
Nice energy. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, please.
Step 1. Think in English.
Got it?
Step 2. Use English every day.
Every day.
Step 3. Listen more.
Like this podcast.
Step 4. Don't fear mistakes.
Speak even if not perfect.
Step 5. Create your English world.
Change phone, follow English, watch movies.
Exactly. If you do these 5 things, your English will improve fast. Remember, Steve, and everyone listening, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave.
Brave and consistent.
Yes, English is like a plant. You water it every day, and it grows.
I like that.
Say this with me. I can speak English easily.
I can speak English easily.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
That's right. So that's it for today's episode of English with Jenna.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English podcasts.
And comment below, tell us how you practice English every day.
We love reading your stories.
Yes, and we'll see you again soon for another fun lesson.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.